So people are gonna check the man when named Castro. And here so this man you have castor oil and you have the seed and the whole thing and they make the oil right here in our backyard. So we'll give him a little one check and see if he can show you what they're going. Jamaica Uncut road trip, Southfield, St. Elizabeth. And then over here so now you have the seed. Oh wow. And then what you do with it after this now?
Patch it on the fire in a big pot there.
Okay, see?
And then crush it. A mill when I crush it and then boil it.
Ah. Nice. Oh, so I treat this up. Okay, see? Nice. So this is how I boil down too?
Wow.
Nice.
This is amazing.
Really nice.
They call me Castor, but my name is right name is Vincent Thompson.
But nobody not gonna know by now
Vincent
Vincent.
Thompson.
Yeah,
Where is your name?
Southfield.
Southfield. People, these are the real. So the same thing as black castor oil.
Yeah man, but the black castor oil, person afraid of it, person asks for that. But you see the black castor oil, we don't know what add to it. When you can see this, you watch it. You see the bubble going there?
Yeah.
Natural.
Yeah. And the man make it right, yes, so people.
Right, yes, so they don't
right.
see the process.
Yeah, man, them don't see the process, man. Right, that's how they make people right. And little shit, that's how the man do the thing. So how you use it? Tell me how you use it, you know.
Yeah man, skin.
How you use it? Like how you...
You throw it a little here, like our ear now, like we use it in our ear, and then I use it on skin as well. And then again, you know, person who have belly hot, sometimes drink it. Because instead of use Epsom salt, herb, them use this.
Well, how much I do that drink? Much I
Like
that
a
drink?
spoonful. But here again, the bottom line now. If you are drinking a little belly hurt, well, the best thing to do, squeeze some lime juice and like that you don't cut your belly too much. And you see with this again, we have to remind the customer them again, you know. Person will be afraid now. Because first thing them ask me when time yeah, sell about. Castor any salt in it? No. It's not a boil with no salt.
Okay.
A person use salt and a person afraid of it most time. The reason why them use salt, to get it processed faster, you use the salt and it process much faster.
Ah, but you just go the real way.
Natural
way.
Yeah, definitely.
Better.
So you have a drink a liquor, so instead of use the salt, use a slice of lime into a spoonful of it and you drink it. That's what I think.
So just little bit of lime,
yeah.
1 spoonful drink.
And again, no person, ladies who have baby, definitely. The best thing, you know, after having that baby, after birth and everything, the best thing is this to use with the same lime juice after a woman have a baby. Okay.
Alright, more you just carry me down at the farm and show me some more of the tree them so I can just show the people inside the real thing, no fake thing. Alright, people are going to go down at the farm and we're going to check out, show you some of the trees because the tree they kind of lick some more if you can see it close up. So far. These are some bird pepper people, or as they call it, cayenne pepper.
Yeah, that's another cayenne, man. The cayenne much bigger. The one we leave a stone here.
Oh, really?
Bird pepper. These are the real dandelion. You drink like coffee.
Oh, me hear about dandelion before. But them say that man drink dandelion and they make them strong up.
Yeah, my person where they drink like coffee.
Okay.
And person use it for prostate cancer as well.
Alright. And how you drink that now?
You see them parch it, extract it, parch it, and crush it as well.
Okay. And then this is what?
Yeah, the same alnut.
Oh, these are the alnut. Oh, so these are the green one on the tree. And you catch the water off of the roof and it run at the tank over there, so? Ah, seen.
Because that is a thing, while in the castor oil, no chlorine water.
Oh, you use rainwater?
Rainwater.
Ah, so no, everything in a head natural?
No chlorine water. I know here now. A bigger one, this.
See?
You know this tree?
Me not sure.
This
So it goes on like a berry pony.
a Chinese cherry.
Okay. We have every kind of fruit up here, man.
Actually, but this is dry weather, you know, people somewhere people who continue water them.
The fruit over there sour. The fruit is sour.
Pranganat.
Oh.
Pranganat, you know.
Hold on there. People, I'm going to explain something to now. Pranganat in a Jamaica is what other people call pomegranate. See? So this a pranganat or panganat? Pranganat, aka pomegranate. Jamaica don't know when you know pomegranate. So just panganat we know, and this is the tree right here. So
This now, you know this?
talk to me.
Merengue.
No merengue? Yeah. What is the difference between merengue and noni? Noni are the stinking one? Noni. Okay, so it's a merengue. So this is one where you pick out and eat the pod.
You can cook the
leaf.
as well.
Yeah, you can cook the leaf as vegetable. You like put it in my salad, it's a nice taste. Yeah man, the drought not pretty at all.
You know this?
This one now. Look at, hold on there. No, I'm not sure.
Cinnamon leaf, man.
You too lie. Wow.
St. Andrew, them thing, them something that grow down here, man. And me carry them come here, come grow them, man.
For real. So then, but the leaves them just drop off.
No, man, I chew my mulch it, man. The fermenter.
Cinnamon, it smell like cinnamon?
No, you won't get the effect as it's as such. Rub it up in your hand and scent it now.
Yes. Yeah, we can smell it. Smell it now. Yeah, man, smell it now. So these are what on the ground?
Fermenter leaf, man.
Oh, these are pimento leaf.
You like the extract the fermenter grain and then you throw the chaff here.
Okay, see.
These are the pine them.
Yeah, we know the pine. Them are the sugar pine.
Yeah, man, the sugar pine.
Sweet pine them. Yeah, man. We know so Senti have them.
Yeah, man. The one we own at Ginger Hill, you know.
Ginger Hill, yeah.
A Ripley, you know, them not sweet as this.
Oh, for real?
This
Oh, some man a tan, some man.
St. Andrew one, them, man.
Oh, this is the same thing up there, so.
This is the next type of dandelion, but we not use it. I want I speech, but we not use that one.
Okay.
We not keep them. That person come through the place more time on the same thing, you know.
I was saying. Then you have your banana tree, same way. Okay, cool. Cool if you have enough ackee.
Yeah, man.
So like you know them, you just make them drop off, you know better use them.
Oh, you Rasta man over here put them up more time, drain them.
See? You like your property, man.
And I mean when a person should be seen and live in a estate, you know.
Oh, so you just deal with it?
And live in a estate. My mother grew here, you know. And my mother passed on, so I just take up it definitely.
I was saying. So how you get into the whole farming thing?
Honestly, you know, when me get into the farming thing, you know, when me in St. Andrew Hills, right, doing my building work, definitely, because I used to work at some office now and again, and I just move on back to the building, because I train in a building.
See?
Yeah. So, I just start a coffee farm in St. Andrew Hill that are between Stony Hill and Golden Spring. You call it Narbrook Mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah, you call Boone Hall. So from there, so now the coffee have fail us more and less. So what me do now, start moving the species of plant and carry them down here. Come stay with my mother, because my mother just have two of us. My mother brother live in the States. Whenever me return, me say, alright, now stay out in the country, my old lady. And that's what I do.
Okay,
right, and we just come in and start with them. Because this me not cutting a pimento tree, this, you know.
Okay, yeah, me know the pimento tree. And them are dashing or cocoa?
Cocoa, man.
They are cocoa. How you can tell the difference between dashing and cocoa by just looking for the plant?
Dasheen grow one straight head down. Cocoa branch.
Okay.
And have the different root.
Okay, same. What kind of banana this over here, sir? Or is that planting?
A banana.
That's a very big banana.
That's small to the other one that we cut already, man.
Oh, for real?
Small, man.
And I see apple, a branch off on a tree.
Yeah, that.
So them apple are young people,
Yeah.
but this are the Jamaican OTET apple. just a come in.
Right,
yeah, man. See?
If I ain't lying, look up the stuff, you know, see.
Me see some man, but they're not ready yet.
Two red ones.
Yeah, me see two red ones up there, you know. Two ready, we have to load them. I'm going to show the people in the banana over here, so. Because me, if he said them are young banana, some of the biggest banana I see for a while.
You see it, most of these plants come from St. Andrew Hills, you know.
Okay, see?
St. Andrew Hills, I know from down here, man. Most of them carry them down from St. Andrew Hills. Right?
Okay.
That's one tree again now. That's the
Star apple.
green skin type. That,
okay,
you know.
see? Okay, cool. We'll find the banana tree down there, you know. Must give them a bite though. So where call this a type of banana now?
That's that one I small, Gross Michel.
Oh, Gross Michel.
Banana, the Rasta man in mostly.
I was seeing.
You have the Lapatan and you have the Gross Michel and you have the other one. The other one name again I don't know. The other one up there, so what's it called again? More the eating one.
I was seeing. Alright, Rasta, thanks for.
Yeah, man, sure. Yeah, that's what this thing.
Okay, cool. So people were there with Castro, and the man named Castro can make castor oil. So
A jackfruit tree.
oh, you see jackfruit enough from the other day.
A jackfruit tree, St. Andrew. When I see these birds, St. Andrew.
But they're not ripe yet.
St. Andrew.
Me realize that the people them on and to eat Neesberry.
Yeah, not as such.
Cause they say too sweet.
Yeah, and then just Neesberry again, you know.
I see some bigger Neesberry up there, so.
Well, that bigger one, the propagate it from where my mother is.
Yeah.
And grow it at St. Andrew and carry it and plant it here.
Okay, see.
Check them. None of them have no.
I know you come run in and I come ready barn, you know.
Oh, that's
This is tambourine.
Yeah, man, when you see when that white guy from Germany come, I don't hear him see at daytime, you know. And inside us love this place.
We as Jamaicans sometimes not appreciate these things, you know. Because you see, we really grew up in the country, you know, as we get older, we find ourselves want to move towards the fast life.
Yeah.
The man who grew up in the fast life tired of it, so he want to experience the country. So nobody ever happy with what they have. This is how I know.
Saint, you can't tell me what it is.
hey, boy, it's it.
Look like a pimento tree.
No, man, beer rum. I put it in a sanitizer with alcohol.
This is beer rum tree?
Beer rum tree, man.
Holy crap.
Stony Hill, man.
Wow. Me not even know say beer rum was a tree. I never think about where it come from.
Yeah, man.
Wow. My God.
Sanitizer, man. First, take it and put it in alcohol to sanitize.
Oh, for real?
You don't know this one? That's all.
The tree itself look like a mango tree. The blossom look like an apple tree.
Busy tree, man.
I've never seen a busy.
I've never seen a busy tree.
Busy, man.
So how often this beer?
Maybe one time to the year, sometimes two times.
Never seen a busy tree before. Alright, look, I'm going to test you now. You don't know nutmeg tree.
Nutmeg dead down here and chocolate and the cocoa bean tree. Because we make the cocoa because we make 3 dozen cocoa beans for somebody in North America. I go Stony Hill for the grade and my old coffee beer.
So what to the nutmeg?
Nutmeg tree up there. Can't see it down here, my boy. Hit on the chocolate.
It can't grow down here?
Too dry.
Oh.
Too dry.
Oh.
That's dead down here. Hit
Because
on the cocoa come.
we go to Portland and get some nutmeg tree and plant and you know catch.
Too dry. You know this one on? Custard apple tree. One thing we survive down here, the mommy tree. You know mommy, because Portland we get that.
Mommy they are Portland, yes.
Yeah, we one tree. A little youth will go man running come here. He said, Mommy, this place is not Portland. This man come have a mommy tree down here. We never see it down here before.
Yeah.
See, like custard apple.
But the mommy, what would you buy from the man on the side of the road? No sure. Yeah, the brother will sell right on Narbuka, this one name. The brother will sell on the side of the road. Norwich or Narbuka, whatever. One brother sell on the side of the road at Portland, so a Rasta man.
Okay.
He out there for a while.
Yeah,
Him kind of have the same vibe as you too.
Yeah, man.
And him first make we try it.
Yeah, man.
We can't even decide what it tastes like.
Yeah, man. Because it eat flushy.
Yeah, man, it tastes like a mango, it tastes like a gooseberry, it tastes like a plum. We don't know what it tastes like. You just have it.
All this ackee, you know, Sentanza type, you know. This if you put on yellow yam, you can put on the ackee with it. Nah, mash up.
Oh, for real?
Nice. This one, you know this one? It's a low-cost tree we call thinking toe.
Oh. Thinking toe. Oh, so up here you plant the isle nut them. What a plant here?
Pigeon grape.
Pigeon grape? But people don't eat this. What can you eat it though?
Can't eat.
Okay.
And most bird feed on it.
Okay, see? You never all this you know hear about yet. So yes, so you plant the isle nut them you know.
Yes, I plant.
So these are the isle nut up close people. Oh, so this is a tiny tree and it already start beer. What's so special about it?
Come from Saudi Arabia, this seed. Chinaman came from Saudi Arabia working at the oil field from Saudi Arabia to come give me seed. So somebody are waiting now that it can't get the seed and pay proper.
Yeah, if you go plant it again. See? So you have a seed beer?
No, the first I
go beer now.
Yeah.
Alright, so we can talk about the island a little bit now. This is the first stage. Alright, so that's the first stage. And then behind it, yes or no? Talk to me. When it catch you this stage, yes or no? This is what?
These are different varieties from that one.
Oh.
They have around 3 different varieties.
Okay, but you don't mix them when you make the aisle?
No, do nothing.
No, I mean like if you mix this version with that the version.
Yeah, you mix it, man.
Okay, see, and you know make no difference to the end product. Oh, see. Right, nice cool hills of south side St. Elizabeth. Alright people, we're in at the farm with Castro. I go and show you the isle nut Castor business. And the man have one orchard people. The man have everything. Talk about plants where you eat. And this man here put the definition in a plant where you eat. So you say you're the answer from your youth. Your mother, you take care from your mother?
My mother was born here and then me left. I go Kingston and Center and just 10 years and go finish study. Because I study in Cuba, I study in Canada. So I return.
Okay, see?
This is a hackberry tree, you know.
Hotberry.
Hack. You call it hackberry.
Hackberry.
Hack.
Oh, hackberry.
H-A-C-K-Y.
Oh, hackberry.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, we know hackberry. When a boy used to eat enough.
This come from Fountain Road, Stone Hill.
Okay, see?
The plant.
But you spend a lot of time in a Stone Hill.
Yeah, man. Found it a big barbican. That's the all-year sorrel.
Yeah. So people Jamaica uncut road trip, and even though the mission it start out kind of different, just the powers make me running at this man here and they must show me the whole thing. And explain to the people how you know the difference between the sweet and the sour cassava, the bitter cassava.
Yeah, man, you know it by the stick. These are the red stripe type one. Definitely. I have the yellow belly one, that are the eating one.
Okay.
I have the bitter one that make the bammy.
Yeah.
Right, simple. Like those what is a bitter one.
Man have a jelly pan tree the same way.
Alright, if you see stain points here.
Okay.
Enter you see the rat back start cut them and
Oh, you know, so them get ready for wrap up right now. Yeah.
The carrot and bush where person come for more time, you know, call the rice because even the Chinaman will give me the seed. You know. And he said to me that his grandmother used to give him a bush when boiled, but it's short down and I ground it bitter than bitter wood. And I said, I know how you talk, Mr. Lynn, and I come feet and I said to him, say, and you bite a leaf, Mr. Lynn, you have to put sweet in your mouth.
Real.
And when him taste it, he said, gee man, Christ Castro. He have to call to somebody for a sweet it. You pass it and he'll go treat them down there, so the rice bitters. That thing that me can grow down here, water fishes. Me used to have to give my son when him not UC with the heart for me. The water fishes, and the Chinese doctor said to me, give him a Heineken at time, half a Heineken.
What the Heineken do?
He said, anyhow, close up the hole in my heart.
For real?
And the thing we pass down there, so they call the gully bean, susumba.
But why Heineken over any other beer?
Heineken, man, it is light, man.
Oh, it's light.
And it kind of have a British taste. So that wasn't because of the water crystals coming like callaloo, you know.
Okay.
And it kind of British like, so you use it.
And the mosquito, they're miserable though.
Yeah, a good time to come now, man. So I'm supposed to place never clear out.
Yo!
Aye. See what speaking about.
What is his name?
The mommy.
Oh, this is the mommy tree. How often this beer?
The beer around wall. This younger tree, because the chocolate them tree them dead fan it, you know. And the busy tree dead fan out there, so. Not the busy, the nutmeg you're speaking of. Yeah, man.
Okay. So I think in a Portland people them call it mommy apple. And it has a very, very specific, unique, almost unidentified taste. Now I also know we have some guava. See it there. So we're there in St. Elizabeth. I go on tour with Castro and I'm going to show him farm.
Arrowroot, this, you know.
It's arrowroot. Do you have arrowroot? We have the conversation about arrowroot all the while. I never know one name so. I hear them use to make porridge. What, it grows something under the bottom? And when you pull it to make the porridge now, how you walk me through the steps of that you know?
You scrape it and you grate it.
Like a cassava?
You grate it, and after you grate it now, you put a little water in it. And then you mix it round and then strain off that trash and let it settle. And that water that you have settled now, the content come down within it, and then you throw off that water, you dry that process, and then you
so it's almost like making bami.
Yeah, but the only thing you have to put it on the bami in a baking process.
Yeah, but that the end product that you make the porridge.
Yeah.
Okay, see.
Come out this way, you know. Or vinegar.
No. Okay, see. So these are the arrowroot. And it looks like a very tiny cassava.
It's much bigger than that, man.
Or it grow bigger than this?
Yeah, man, it grow bigger than that, man.
Okay, see. Alright, so see the tank here. When I'm catching water, you know, from off of the roof. Under that the water them use to do. Alright, Rasta, we have this question here where we are asked and we are driver come up. Why the sweets of them get black?
The sweets of them get black because of disease content and you don't have enough rainfall. It's happening for the last 3 years now. Cook with some call it Prince.
That one, yeah?
Coolie time.
Oh, it's a coolie time. My brother tell me say I'm mint. Brother, we plant it in the yard and it take over the whole yard.
Ah, you know.
Yeah. And here so we have some sugar cane. And this is the water tank. So the top of this thing seems like it below a Wackland dab.
Now Wackland dab type of material, but they use cement and it over the years to keep it up.
So what is underneath it? What on the bottom there?
Dirt, man.
Oh, no under there? Okay. So it look like it used to be a floor for something.
Yeah, floor to the tank. Do you what know what I mean? If you notice the tank lift. The tank lift now, the reason why when these buildings were in touch, you didn't have any gutter in order to go to the tank.
Yeah.
You have to use barbecue to go to the tank to get the rainfall. That's why. So now you have the gutter, you cut off the barbecue from it now, in a safe. and then use the gutter to hit the tank now after the roof.
Okay, seeing.
That person I walk up and down on the barbecue definitely. So
Okay.
that makes sense.
So Jamaica Uncut, Southfield, St. Elizabeth as we head to Lashings in a Treasure Beach. Where they are to go and hold a one vibe to the man Castro. Real farmer people. The man plant everything. And I'm truly excited to see the castor oil because I've always wanted to see the plant. I always want to see the seed. So I'm really happy to see it. And we can pick some mint here so we can make some tea, but some gas little more. Yeah. Jamaica Uncut, Southfield, Road Trip, St. Elizabeth Vibe, Red Dirt, mosquito they bite up over there, so I go and spray up. And let me tell you, when you're not tuition, you can't handle country life. Can't handle country life, people. So Jamaica Uncut there upon the road. Castor, beg you one knife and cut some of them mint here. Or you have in a buckle there? This is what? Busy? That's so busy. There's a saying that Jamaica say if crab no water, they're not fat. So this is a dandelion right here, so. So how you make this now? How you make
Just like coffee.
just like a
It
spoon and hit in the hot
smells
water?
smelly.
Yeah, it smells just like coffee. So what do you...
Person drink it with prostate cancer, it and lemon juice.
I was saying. Alright, so beg you nice we can cut some of them mint and we can go drink some tea a little more. Alright, cool. Yeah man, Jamaica Uncut is a vibe people. They're up on the farm with Castor go on. Yeah, mosquito them.
That one little sharper, the guy, that one in the kitchen much
Okay, seeing, alright. Blessed love me brother. And
but you never took the rosemary.
oh no.
Yeah, the other one for here, you know. You pass the one down there for here, you know.
Alright, so we'll go cut him in and we'll come back and check out the rosemary. Soon forward there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so now we have the rosemary bush. And you cook with this or make tea?
Make tea, and some person use it in a market.
What is doing in the market?
Person carry around
Say run duppy.
chant, good luck chant and all that.
Oh,
And some boil it, some smoke it in a herb.
oh for real?
Yeah, man.
So these are the rosemary bush people. And the man say market people carry it around because them say it run duppy. And it also is a good luck thing. And say man put it in them weed and smoke it and you walk with it behind your ears. Tell us the brother plant everything man. So you said it's good for sinus?
In a sense.
Yeah, because me have bad sinus now, me have headache. Me have bad headache.
Yeah, you put it all in the, that's why it's up on person, put it around the ears and put it all in the, especially they then stick it in the front and the head too.
Okay, see?
Yeah, you can warm the castor oil to man and rub it front and forward.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
So like you warm little bit in a what? Like, oh, in your hand?
You can warm it in a spoon, man, or something like that.
Okay, see?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, bless up
This
my
is got
brother.
the one, you know.
So what the art to pulling out scallion? What the art?
Pull and leave back some in the hole.
Okay.
It's a red root, you know, the white root.
Okay, cool.
Red root, man.
Oh,
A white
see.
root, you see a nigger.
Okay.
Yeah, shear it and then let it take out and leave it. Do it to continue.
See.
And you're fat here.
and brother. Man, blessed love, man. And this is cassava, you know. This is sweet cassava. Ah.
You put it on in a hot water, sir.
Yeah, cook the one and eat him.
You take a time to cook, you know.
Love cassava, man. One have big one. Yo! That one have big one.
The yellow belly, you know.
Yeah, me see it.
So this is the inside, yellow belly, and the white one.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll do something, you know. Something to
Oh, yeah, man.